The city of Beijing, the capital of China. Beijing is known for the Forbidden City, the Great Wall, and its signature staple dish, Beijing Noodle, known among locals as Zha Jiang Mian. Beijing Noodle uses the basic ingredients of dark bean paste, sesame oil, and scallions. Beijing Noodle is full of flavor and freshness. Variations of Beijing Noodle have emerged in different parts of the world. Here is one version. The list of ingredients may seem long, yet every single one of them adds to make a perfect blend of fresh, sweet, salty taste in every bite. All ingredients are available at a market or Asian store near you. I got a fortune cookie. Let's see what it says. Simplicity of character is the natural result of profound thought. Sounds like a statement befitting the Beijing Noodles. A perfect blend of beauty and simplicity, sweetness and saltiness, softness and crunchiness, fragrant and pungent, freshness and fermented, all at once.